So just a little update from the shop. I decided to splurge and get a brand new air compressor. My air compressor was, if you recall, a really old one, and I actually had a separate tank up on that shelf, and it wasn't regulated, so once the tank got full it just started blowing out the pressure valve. This looks like it's a twin cylinder, 2 horsepower motor, 20-gallon tank, 135 max PSI. I don't know what all this means, but 6.2 CFM at 40 PSI and 5.3 CFM at 90 PSI, 120 volt, 1.6 RHP, whatever that is. It's industrial air made by Sanborn. It's got a little cage here for the belt. That's your little viewfinder for the oil. Fill the oil here. Drain it there. Let's see if I shut it off. And turn it back on while it runs. That's at 110 PSI. Nope. That's it. That's the new toy. Pretty quiet. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.